Hello, lovely friends. Welcome back to Create and Cook with Jimmy. So, today we are going to make some rice and potato omelets. Trust me, this recipe is so good. You're going to love it. So, I have here two medium-sized potatoes, and then I have some onion, and also I have carrots, and then some bell peppers, which you can add green peppers if you want. And then I have here some oil. And also, I have here 2 cups of whole milk. You can use water if you want. And I have 5 tablespoons of evaporated milk. I have 2 cups of rice, which you can soak it if you want. And then I have 3 eggs. You can add more eggs if you prefer. I have jalapeno, which you can use any peppers you want. And then I have here some spices I am going to talk about later. And this recipe is so good, and trust me, you're going to love it so much. And today we are going to use some herbs also, which I have herb cilantro, I have parsley, and then I have the curly parsley, which we are going to use in this video. So let's start. Milk, rice here, and then cook the mashed potatoes here, and then 5 tablespoons of evaporated milk, which you can use more. And also I have some oil and then 3 eggs. You can decide to use more eggs if you want. And I have some vegetables. You can use any vegetables of your choice. And I have the herbs, which I have herb parsley and all the herbs. You can use any one of your choice. And then I have here some Italian seasoning, and then I have some mixed seasoning, and I also have crushed peppers and then salt, and I also have some garlic and herbs. Let's go ahead and pour out our fine mixture. Remember, this is the potatoes with rice and milk. Look at how fine it is blended. Remember to blend it so good, because remember, the rice is not cooked and you just soaked it if you want it. So just blend it so good. I'll go ahead and add the 5 tablespoons of milk. This is evaporated milk. And then we'll add our 3 eggs. You can use more eggs if you want. And then we'll just go ahead and add our spices. So I have here some salt-free seasonal blend Italian herbs, and then I have here some garlic herb, and then we'll just go ahead and add our crushed peppers and some salt. I just added half a tablespoon, 2 tablespoons of salt, so you can go ahead and add 1 tablespoon of salt. And then I added some herbs, the cilantro, parsley, and curly parsley. And then we'll just go ahead and add our carrots, onions, and all our vegetables. Remember to use any vegetable of your choice. And this recipe is so good. Trust me, I love making it every morning. Go ahead and stir it. Stir it so good. This omelette is so good. Remember, it's just rice with some potatoes and vegetables, healthy. This is so healthy and good. I like to eat it every morning. It's so good. Trust me, you are going to love this recipe. And then we'll just go ahead and put some oil in our pan as we are stirring. And then we'll just go ahead and fry this. You can add 2 ladles each if you want, but then sometimes I just fry 2 or 1 ladle. Make sure to cook it well. You can go ahead and cover this up so it cooks very well. Go ahead and cook it very well, so you can just Add one ladle or two ladles and then turn it, and voila, you have your omelette, sweet, tasty omelette. Look at how good this omelette is. Oh my gosh, this looks so good and yummy.